I want to tell you a story about Gustavo. He is a ghost. He can pass through walls, and he can make objects fly and glow in the dark. But Gustavo longs to be seen. He wants to make friends, so he sends a special letter to invite them to his violin concert. On the night of the concert, he waits and waits and waits. No one comes. So all alone, he plays the violin. The music made him so happy that he starts to glow. He glows so brightly, just like a little star. Suddenly, he hears a voice calling his name. He cannot believe his eyes. Many monsters show up. They hear his music. They see his glow. From that day on, Gustavo makes many friends. He learns that if you bravely share, you can make new friends. This is a sweet and lovely story. I hope you will like it too. Thank you.